Hey friends, welcome to another quick Apple numbers tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a filter so that you can crunch down your data and just see the lines that have your specific data in mind. It's really helpful, especially if you have huge sheets. I've got a really simple spreadsheet here. You can see I've got some sales associates and some numbers, and they're categorized by teams. Now I want to create a filter that just shows me team A's data. So the way we're going to do this is we're actually just going to click anywhere here in our spreadsheet. And then I'm going to come over here and you see these little icons up here. I'm going to click this top right one. That's going to bring some organizational options up for us. As you can see over here on the far right, we have filter. Just make sure that's clicked. Now, this is going to be a way of doing a quick filter. And I find these quick filters most of the time accomplish exactly what I need them to do. So let's go ahead and click this down arrow to add a filter. As you can see, it is selected all of our header options. So everything up here in the gray are our headers. That is going to be the column areas that we can filter by. In this case, I want to filter by team. So I'm going to click on that. And then it's going to give us a rule. And in this case, we are showing everything that is categorized under the teams. You can see it pulled up, including blanks, everything that we can check or uncheck to view. So in this case, what I want to do is I want to deselect all, and then I just want to click on team A because that's the only data that I want to see. And there you go. As you can see, it pulled up our specific team A and all of their associated data. Now remember, this does not delete the rest of your spreadsheet. It just filters everything so that you can see the data that you're most interested in. When you're ready to look at your entire spreadsheet again, all we need to do is come back here to our filters and you can delete the team filter. Obviously you can see this auto updated it to the specific category that we were using. And I can go ahead and hit this little trash can button. It'll delete things and we can then see our entire sheet. Now remember, when you're doing this, you can actually select multiple items. So again, I could deselect all and I could see team A, team B, team C. Again, if you click everything again, you're going to see your entire sheet. This is a great way of getting rid of blank lines as well, by the way. Friends, I hope that has helped. If it has, hit that thumbs up button. Stay tuned. We got a bunch more of these Apple number tutorial videos coming up really soon to make your life just a little bit easier. We'll see you again on the next one.